some of the raw onions on top. Okay. Let's go for another burger patty. Boom. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to. Okay, let's go. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Fast and the Keto-ish. My name is Alma Laban, and what I'm going to be doing for you today. My name is Alma Laban, and what I'm going to be cooking for you today is a short, simple, quick lunch that you can do right at home. You don't necessarily need to go out to Five Guys or your favorite burger joint. You just make this at home, and it's just as good. I am going to try and keep it keto. Take some of those sauteed onions, put it right on top. Okay. And I'm gonna try and make this meal a little bit entertaining for you to watch at home, and hopefully you can follow along and make this yourself. Say goodbye to spending extra money at wherever you purchase your favorite burger from. Now, if you're ready to join me, come along. So first, start off with dicing an onion. Slit here, slit there, turn to the side, slit, 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 slit. This is your typical dice. Make sure you have a sharp knife to avoid being cut. Take them, set them aside.
Again, make sure you have a sharp. Also, what you want to do is you want to make sure you clean as you go. Make sure everything is clean at all times, so it's all ready for the next item. Okay?
Next thing, I'm gonna get out some pickles. Pickles in rounds if you want to, just like McDonald's, some hamburger pickles, or if you have a good pickle, nice long slices. Now cut them, set them aside. Okay, so what I got here, I got some diced onion, I got some sliced pickles, and I just chopped up some celery sticks, which I'm gonna serve with my burger. This is gonna be a bunless burger with some celery sticks on the side. Now what you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a good quality grill. Mine is from Le Creuset. It's great because you can use it on high heat, and it's especially great for cooking burgers. Now once your grill is nice and hot, what you're gonna wanna do is get out your burgers, bang. Bang. Now these are just store-bought burgers, which I bought. If you don't have time to make your own burgers, that's not a problem. This is just a quick lunch. These are 100% pure ground beef, and I'm just gonna grill them in the pan until ready. Make sure your grill is nice and hot. The burgers are cooking, we're gonna saute some onions. Do a little half and half. Now we're gonna top it off with some cheese. Got some Now we're just gonna grill up some bacon, get it all nice and crispy. And we're just about finishing off with those sauteed onions. got my burgers cooked with some cheese on top. I got some bacon. I mashed up some avocado, which is gonna be good. I got a few fried eggs cooked, some pickles and some other onions. I'm gonna make a few different varieties of my burgers, just a few meals. My wife is on her way home, so I'm gonna have dinner for her by the time she gets back. So now the next thing to do is just assemble. Here we go. Okay, start off with a burger patty. There's cheese on top already. I'm gonna take some avocado, spread it right on top here. This is so good. Nice healthy amount of avocado. Take some of those sauteed onions, put it right on top. Okay, just like that. Take some bacon, cross it over, okay? Just like so. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a fried egg right on top. And lastly, a few pickle slices on the side, more like that. Okay. Okay, so that's it. You can eat it just as is. You got your burger patty, you got the avocado, some sauteed onions, you got some bacon there. We got our fried egg, okay, right on top, nice and gooey, and serve with some pickles. So what I also like to do, get yourself a good extra virgin olive oil, drizzle just right on top, and that's one of the burgers for you, okay? Now that was her burger. Now let's get to my burger. Okay, so for me, burger patty there, bit of bacon, got some of that mustard right on top, drizzle, 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 a few pickles. I like these onions as well. Okay. Some of the raw onions on top. Okay. Let's go for another burger patty. Boom. Okay. Top it off with that extra avocado on top. Okay. And now the sauteed onions. Gotta love the sauteed onions. We got sauteed onions there, just a little more drizzle of mustard on top. Go with an extra piece of bacon there, right on top. Okay. We're also gonna add some celery sticks on the side, and some pickle slices. Okay, so here's mine. I got 2 burger patties with some avocado, sauteed onions, raw onions. We got some crispy bacon on the top, a little bit of French's mustard. It's gonna be served with some celery sticks and some pickle slices. And that's my lunch. So the only thing left to do now is dig in and test out this baby. All right, so we got the burger, the avocado, cheddar cheese. Okay, all right, that is delicious. So sauteed onions, crispy bacon, creamy avocado. The texture of the raw onions and the sauteed onions, such a good compliment. They definitely complement each other. With the pickles, the bacon, this right here is definitely a winner. You're gonna wanna save this for the next time you have lunch, or you can't go anywhere and you have all these ingredients at home. Definitely stay home, stop spending money outside, especially during these times. Now that the restaurants are closed, take this recipe, make it at home, you can enjoy this anytime you want. And remember what I always say, eat healthy, get active, and stay happy. And thanks for watching The Fast and the Keto-ish. My name is Alan Levain, and you have yourself a good day. Peace. I'm gonna sit here and finish this. Hey, you want some?